back to my channel, guys. For those of you who are new, I'm the Marketing Nomad. Now in today's video, we're going to do a carousel post for Instagram. For those of you who don't know, Instagram actually has this feature where you can put multiple pictures as part of your upload. Now the reason why carousel works really well is because Instagram actually shows each of these pictures individually on your consumers or your target audience's newsfeed, which means to say if you've posted 4 different posts in one carousel, you actually have the opportunity of coming 4 times on your consumer's newsfeed. Today I'm going to teach you my method of creating a carousel. Now I know there are a couple of videos out there that use Canva to create their carousel post, but I'm not a fan of that method, just that it's a little frustrating and it is not really easy to understand the flow of the carousel in those. So in my method, it's slightly different. I actually do this on Illustrator, but today I'm going to teach you how to do that in Canva. Alright guys, let's get started. Now the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to create a design, and we're obviously going to go for custom dimensions. Now the height is obviously going to be 1080, but the width is whatever your height is, multiply that by how many ever posts that you want to do. For this video, I'm going to do 3 carousel posts, but I also do need a front cover for the post. So a total of 4 posts in my carousel. So that's 1080 into 4, that's 4320. So I'm going to create this design. Wait for it to load, and we have this. So now we have templates over here, but we're not going to go for that. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the elements and we're going to look for grids. The grid that has 4. Now this has 3, so if you guys were looking for a 3 carousel post, then this would fit your needs. 4 is what I'm going for, so I'm going to put this right over here. Now, if you guys just scroll down, you have 5, you have also 6, and so on and so forth. I've even seen 9, to be honest with you. So you can do as many as you'd like. Now that we have this sorted out, let's go back to the elements and let's take a relatively thin line to kind of separate it. Let's go for that one's a little wiggly. I don't want a wiggly line. Okay, this one looks good. Let's put this right here, and then we have to rotate it to 90 degrees. Of course, I have problems with this as usual. Okay, not bad. Today I did it pretty well. I'm just gonna move this a little bit. And let's kind of get this in there. Then one more copy, and we have 4. Alright, so the reason why I did this is because I actually want the flow, so that I understand that when my viewer is scrolling right, or is it scrolling left? I think it's swiping left. So when my viewer is swiping left, I understand how they're going to take a look at whatever is happening. And do you see these lines? They actually tell me when the post stops and when the next one starts. So now for carousels, you ideally want to make sure that whatever content you have here kind of flows into your next one as well. So I'm going to do a carousel post. Okay, I'm going to fast forward this real quick so that you guys don't get bored. Now it's really important that you guys make sure that these are all aligned really well, for the sole fact that when your consumer is swiping left, they can actually see the alignment. So you want to make sure that it is actually going to look good. And once we're done with this and we're pretty confident about what we have, I use basic colors. Let's see if we can. Yep, I've used basic colors and it looks actually pretty good. Looks really simple. So now I'm going to remove these lines. And that's one more thing, guys. If you're not happy with the colors, you can always change the colors. Now I'm going to try using maybe say my own brand colors. Let's see how that looks. If you guys want to kind of change how this looks, you can actually change the order. Let's see. So that looks different. At least it looks different. It doesn't look like it's the same design, so you can do that as well. I'm going to try that because I don't want it to look the same. Let me try black in the center and then try that. Okay. So there you go, guys. It looks different and I like it. I like that it's not the same and there's some sort of kind of variety over there. Okay, and then I'm going to change these two because I don't want what happened. These two, and that's pretty much it, guys. I think this looks great. Oh wait, I didn't change this. Let's see. Yep, there you go, guys. So what I do after this is that I download this. If you want a transparent background, you can have a transparent background, but I prefer it to be white. And I just download it. I think I told you this before, but let's go to Image Splitter. Just Google that, and I go to Pine Tools because I don't like the other two that's over there. Okay, this one's super easy. Let's choose the file. That's how you do a carousel post. And it actually comes this way when you upload it. I'll show it to you guys right now, but it actually looks like it's one whole image, especially when you do it this way. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, for all of you out there, if you guys have any videos that you like, any how-to videos, feel free to mention it in the comments below and I will get right to it. Be sure that you are staying safe, you're staying home, and you are staying absolutely in perfect good health. I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye-bye, guys. Stay safe.